Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's title is Hotel Amenities, Pool, Gym, and Spa. In this video, you will follow a short and simple story about two friends, Ellie and Ken, at a hotel. They will talk about the hotel's amenities, like the pool, the gym, and the spa. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Where do they go first? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
We are here. This is our room, Ken.
Yes, it looks very nice.
I am so happy. I love this hotel already.
Me too. The room is big and clean.
Look, there is a guide on the table. Let me see.
What is it?
It is a hotel guide. It shows what this hotel has.
Oh, I see. What does this hotel have?
Let me read. It says there is a pool.
A pool? That sounds nice.
Yes, and there is also a gym.
A gym? I like gyms.
Really? Do you go to the gym often?
Sometimes, not very often, but I like it.
That is good. Oh, and look at this. There is a spa, too.
A spa? What is that exactly?
A spa is a place to relax. You can get a massage there.
Oh, I understand. That sounds very relaxing.
Yes. So this hotel has 3 things: a pool, a gym, and a spa.
Wow, this hotel has many good things.
I know. I want to try all of them.
Me too. Which one do you want to try first?
Let me think. I really want to go to the pool.
The pool sounds good to me too.
Great. Let us go to the pool first, then maybe the gym later.
And the spa?
Yes, the spa too. We can try everything during our stay.
That is a good plan. I'm excited now.
So, Ken, do you want to go to the pool now?
Now? Right now?
Yes, why not? We have time.
Okay, but I need to check something first.
What do you need to check?
Where is the pool, and what time does it open?
Good questions. Let me look at the guide again.
Thank you.
Okay, here it is. The pool is on the 2nd floor.
The 2nd floor. That is easy to find.
Yes, and it says the pool is open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night.
From 6 until 10, so it is open now.
Yes, we can go anytime we want.
That is very convenient. Do we need to bring anything?
Good question. Let me see. It says the hotel provides towels.
Oh, they give us towels? That is nice.
Yes, we just need to bring our swimming clothes.
I have my swimming clothes in my bag.
Perfect. Me too. So we are ready.
I have one more question.
What is it?
Is the pool big or small?
The guide says it is a medium-size pool. Not too big, not too small.
That sounds perfect. I do not like pools that are too crowded.
Do not worry. The guide says the pool is usually quiet.
Really? That is great.
Yes, so we can swim and relax without many people around.
I like that. Swimming in a quiet pool is very relaxing.
I agree. I love swimming when it is peaceful.
Me too. Okay, I am ready to go now.
Great. Let me get my swimming clothes and we can go.
Should we take the stairs or the elevator?
The elevator is fine. It's just one floor down.
Okay, I will get ready too.
Perfect. This is going to be so much fun.
I think so too. I cannot wait to see the pool.
Then let us hurry. The pool is waiting for us.
Yes, let us go to the pool now.
This pool is so nice. I am really enjoying it.
Yes, I am enjoying it too. The water feels good.
And it is so quiet here. There are not many people.
That is true. I like it this way.
Me too. We can swim and relax without any stress.
You know, Ellie, I'm thinking about something.
What are you thinking about?
I want to go to the gym after this.
The gym, really?
Yes, I remember the hotel has a gym. I want to try it.
That is a good idea. Do you like working out?
I do. Not every day, but I like to exercise sometimes.
I see. What do you usually do at the gym?
I usually use the machines. Sometimes I run on the treadmill.
That sounds good. Running is healthy.
Yes, I think so too. And I also lift some weights.
Wow, you are more active than I thought.
Maybe a little, but I'm not very strong. I just enjoy it.
That is the most important thing. Enjoying it is good.
Thank you. Do you want to come to the gym with me?
Maybe. Let me think about it.
Sure, no problem. You do not have to come if you don't want to.
No, I want to see the gym. I'm just a little tired from swimming.
I understand. We can rest for a few minutes first.
That is a good idea. Let me rest a little, then we can go.
No rush. Take your time.
Thank you, Ken. You are very kind.
By the way, do you know where the gym is?
I think it is on the first floor. Let me check the guide again.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, here it is. The gym is on the first floor, near the lobby.
Near the lobby. That is easy to find.
Yes, and it says the gym is open 24 hours.
24 hours? Wow, that is convenient.
Very convenient. You can go anytime, even at night.
That is amazing. Some people like to exercise late at night.
That is true, or early in the morning.
Yes, I sometimes like to exercise in the morning. It gives me energy.
That is a healthy habit. I should try that too.
You should. Morning exercise is really good.
Maybe I will try tomorrow morning. What time do you usually go?
Usually around 7 or 8 in the morning.
That is a good time. Not too early, not too late.
Exactly. And in the morning, the gym is usually not crowded.
Oh, that is nice. I do not like crowded gyms either.
Right. When the gym is quiet, you can use any machine you want.
That makes sense. Okay, I am ready now. Shall we go to the gym?
Yes, let's go and see what machines they have.
I am curious about the gym now. Let's go.
This gym is really nice. They have many good machines.
Yes, I agree. Everything looks new and clean.
I like the treadmills here. They are very modern.
They are. And look at those weights over there.
Yes, they have many different weights. This is a good gym.
I'm glad you like it. Are you going to work out now?
Maybe just a little. I do not want to get too tired.
That is smart. We still have the rest of the day ahead.
Exactly. I will just use the treadmill for 10 minutes.
Sounds good. I will walk around and look at the gym.
Okay, I will be quick.
Take your time, Ken. I'm in no hurry. Ken, are you finished?
Yes, I just finished. That was a good workout.
Good. Now I have an idea.
What is your idea?
Do you remember the spa? The hotel also has a spa.
Oh, yes, the spa. I almost forgot about it.
We should go there next. After swimming and exercising, the spa will feel amazing.
That is true. I am a little tired now. The spa sounds perfect.
Great. Let me tell you about the spa.
Please do. I do not know much about spas.
A spa is a place where you can relax your body and mind.
That sounds wonderful. What can you do there?
Many things. You can get a massage. The massage helps your muscles feel better.
A massage? I have never had a professional massage before.
Really? Then you should try it. It is very relaxing.
I am a little nervous. Is it difficult?
No, not at all. You just lie down and relax. The therapist does everything.
Oh, that does not sound difficult. That sounds easy.
It is very easy, and it feels so good.
I see. What else can you do at the spa?
Some spas have hot baths. The hot water helps you relax.
Hot baths. I love hot baths. We have many hot springs in Japan.
I know. Japanese hot springs are famous. The spa might be similar.
That would be nice. I miss hot springs.
Then the spa is perfect for you. You will love it.
I think so too. Where is the spa located?
Let me check the guide. The spa is on the 3rd floor.
The 3rd floor. And what time is it open?
It says the spa is open from 9 in the morning until 9 at night.
From 9 to 9, so it is open now.
Yes, we can go right now if you want.
I want to go, but do we need to make a reservation?
Good question. Let me see. It says you can make a reservation, but it is not required.
Not required. That is good, so we can just go there.
Exactly. We can walk in and see what is available.
That sounds easy. Is the spa expensive?
Some spa services cost extra money, but some are free for hotel guests.
I see. We can ask when we get there.
Yes, that is a good idea. The staff will explain everything.
Okay, I am ready to try the spa now.
Wonderful. I'm so excited. The spa is going to be amazing.
I'm excited too. This is my first time going to a spa like this.
Then it will be a special experience for you.
I hope so. Let us go to the spa now.
Yes, the spa is waiting for us. Ken, that was such a wonderful spa experience.
Yes, it was amazing. I feel so relaxed now.
Me too. My whole body feels light and refreshed.
The massage was really good. I am glad I tried it.
I told you, spas are wonderful.
You were right. Thank you for taking me there.
You're welcome. I'm happy you enjoyed it.
So today we tried 3 things: the pool, the gym, and the spa.
Yes, all 3 were great. Each one was different but enjoyable.
I agree. The pool was fun. We could swim and enjoy the water.
Yes, and it was so quiet. We had the whole pool almost to ourselves.
That was nice. Then we went to the gym. The gym had good equipment.
The gym was excellent. All the machines looked new and easy to use.
Yes, and working out gave me energy.
That is good. Exercise is important for staying healthy.
I know. I should exercise more often.
We all should. And finally, we tried the spa.
The spa was the most relaxing. I felt all my stress go away.
Exactly. The spa was perfect after all that activity.
You were right. Swimming and exercising can make you tired.
Yes, and then the spa helps you recover and feel good again.
I understand now. These 3 things work well together.
They do. That is why I wanted to try all of them.
It was a smart plan. I really enjoyed today.
Me too.
This hotel is really great. It has everything we need.
I agree. The pool, the gym, and the spa, all are excellent.
And we can use them anytime we want during our stay.
That is true. Maybe we can go to the pool again tomorrow.
Good idea. And maybe we can try the gym in the morning.
Morning exercise. I like that idea.
And then the spa in the evening.
Perfect. That sounds like a great plan for tomorrow.
I am so happy we are staying at this hotel.
Me too. It makes our trip even better.
Definitely. Now, what do you want to do for the rest of the evening?
Maybe we can relax in the room for a while.
That sounds nice. We can rest and then maybe go for dinner later.
Yes, dinner sounds good. I am starting to feel hungry.
Me too. All that swimming and exercising made me hungry.
Let us go back to the room then.
Okay. And thank you, Ken, for today. It was really fun.
Thank you too, Ellie. I had a great time.
I'm glad. Let us make more good memories during this trip.
Yes, let us do that. I am looking forward to it.
Me too. Now let us go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Where do they go first? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Also, I recently started Super Thanks. If you enjoyed this video and would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!